stock with 125% growth by the end of 2022. Renewable energy group REGI is in the biofuel business, producing renewable fuels for various markets. The company has 12 biorefineries. REGI has shown revenue growth for 2 quarters in a row. Compared to Q3 2021, revenue up 22% to $1.01 billion. Earnings per share rose from 60 cents to 83 cents, a 38% gain. Despite the growth in revenue and profitability of the company, over the past 12 months, its share price has fallen by 65%. According to analyst Jason Gableman, the fall should be seen as an opportunity for investors. We estimate that REGI is value zero for its biodiesel business, excluding volumes sold with RD, and see current price levels as an attractive entry point, especially for those willing to wait. Gableman rates REGI as positive, i.e. buy, and its price target of $75 points to 125% growth by the end of 2022. Subscribe to our channel.